The revised Jetour X90 Pro is scheduled to debut in March. The Chinese automaker Jetour, which is associated with the Chery brand, has unveiled the Pro version of its X90 SUV and ICE car. This edition is an improved version of the X90 Plus edition, which was launched in 2021 and underwent an upgrade last year. The outside is essentially unchanged. The Jetour L9, the SUV's PHEV equivalent, has an interior that is more similar to that vehicle's thanks to a number of design improvements. The X90 Pro will formally launch in March, but it is currently available for pre-order. The Jetour X90 Pro's huge presence is enhanced with a massive waterfall-style grille that gives it a rather modern design. The SUV has a more modern look than Jetour's tough JMK Traveller, which was just unveiled. It features split-type headlamps and integrated LED light strips. The L9's side and rear features are still recognizable, but the fenders now have a 390 TGDI insignia to denote the car's fuel-powered capability. There are two exhaust ports and continuous taillights on the back. The X90 Pro has dimensions of 485819 to 517880 mm and a wheelbase of 2850 mm, which provides a reasonably spacious interior. The Jetour X90 Pro's interior design language is straightforward. A 5.6-inch frameless touchscreen display serves as the main focal point. Premium-style materials and finishes can be found throughout the cabin, such as piano black trimmings, brushed wood grain accents, suspended speakers, and a crystal gearshift knob. There are two seating arrangements for the X90 Pro, 5 seats and 7 seats. The 5-seat model has a huge load capacity of 1,634 litres. There are two engine options for the Jetour X90 Pro. The first is a 1.6-litre turbocharged engine that can produce up to 197 horsepower and 290 Nm of peak torque. A 2.0-litre TGDI engine with 390 Nm of torque and 254 horsepower is the second choice. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is mated to both engines in an effort to distribute power smoothly and effectively. Jetour provides prospective X90 Pro purchasers with a number of incentives during the pre-order period, including as trade-in allowances, cash rebates, extended car warranties for the first owner, and 5 years of free data connectivity, 6 GB a month. With a price range of $129,918 USD to 171,900 yuan 24 USD, the X90 Pro is a competitive choice for clients seeking above-average features in a premium design at an affordable price. Jetour's belief that there is still space for new cars in the ICE vehicle industry is demonstrated by the launch of the X90 Pro. In 2024, it will be interesting to compare the sales figures of the X90 Pro and its PHEV counterpart, the L9, given their improved design, cutting-edge technology, and competitive price.